Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Zuan and we are from the Secret Santa team from Bigo Life Malaysia. And currently we are at the Taman Tasik Titi Wangsa and we're going to fulfill the first wish list for our Secret Santa here, and we're going to meet our first winner, which is Miss Alina. Hi Miss Alina.
Hi.
How are you today?
Oh, it's good to be
Alright, so thank you so much for coming here. So I do have a surprise for you. So are you excited for today?
Yeah, I'm quite excited.
Alright.
Which rather type?
Okay, so let's go and meet somebody to give your surprise gift for today. Alright, let's go. Alright, Miss Alina, this is your surprise gift for today. Hi Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Alright, Miss Alina, this is the surprise gift that is from our Secret Santa.
Okay.
So this is for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Bigo, and my Secret Santa.
And there is actually a special wish from our Secret Santa. So maybe you can read the wish card first.
Okay.
Let me hold this for you.
The best gift open doors to imagination and new adventures. May this tablet inspire creativity, spark ideas, and bring you endless joy in every tap and scroll. Here's to a holiday filled with inspiration, laughter, and dreams taking shape on your screen. From your Secret Santa, sending a world of possibilities your way.
Alright, so now I want you to unwrap your secret gift. So what do you think in this wrapping?
I think it's tablet.
What kind of tablet? Let's see what it is.
Okay, let me open this one first.
Alright, sure. So now Miss Aina will unwrap the surprise gift that she received from our Secret Santa. So let's see.
Ooh. Wow.
Alright, Miss Alina, this is your surprise gift for today, which is the Samsung Galaxy Tab and also the keyboard from the Secret Santa. So, do you have any wish for our Secret Santa?
I wish your dream come true and wish next year you will also send me Secret Santa gift.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Alina, and congratulations. So,
Thank
you are
you.
very lucky because I believe it might be from your special friends. So, this is actually destined for you for this Christmas. So Merry Christmas, and hopefully that Miss Aina will be happy and excited to use this Samsung Galaxy Tab for her future and also her daily life.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so we have fulfilled our first wish list for today and we're gonna go for our second location. Let's go. Alright, so we have arrived to our second location, to the Pertubuhan Kebajikan Orang Tua Cacat dan juga Kurang Upaya Taman Konot. So we're going to fulfill our second wish list for our Secret Santa here, and we are bringing some donation for this charity home. Hai, selamat petang Sli. Saya Zuan daripada Bigo Life Malaysia. Tujuan kami hadir pada hari ini adalah untuk kita sampaikan sedikit sumbangan untuk Pertubuhan Kebajikan Orang Tua Cacat dan juga Kurang Upaya Taman Konot, dan kita nak berikan sumbangan ini adalah daripada kita punya Secret Santa. So kita nak fulfill dia punya wish list, sebab itu kita datang dan kita bawakan sedikit sumbangan lah untuk rumah kebajikan ini.
Terima kasih banyak-banyak tu.
Sama-sama, dan sebelum itu juga selain daripada sumbangan tersebut, kita juga ada sedikit angpau lah untuk for this charity.
Nanti saya buka dulu.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Thank you, Bigo Life!
Alright, so we are arriving to our final house for today for the Secret Santa secret gift, special gift. So this is the third house and our final destination for today. Nizan?
Yes? Oh, Zuan ke tu?
Ya, saya.
Oh. Yes. Ada apa?
Alright, Mizan. So, apa khabar Mizan hari ini?
Khabar baik,
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
So actually kedatangan saya bertemu dengan awak pada hari ini adalah ada something special yang kita bawa, which is actually we're gonna bring you something for our Secret Santa special gift.
Wow,
So
seriously?
this is very special and this is actually from someone that want to remain unknown.
Oh, so Santa give me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ada someone yang buat wishlist untuk anda dan dia suruh kami hantar kepada anda.
Oh, boleh.
So saya rasa Mizan boleh buka apa dekat dalam ni. Silakan.
Wah, saya sangat teruja lah. Saya tak pernah lah dapat hadiah daripada Santa Claus.
Yes, so dia memang sangat ingin merahsiakan nama dia. So maybe kalau rasanya mungkin peminat Mizan ke ataupun someone yang rasanya memang adore dengan you, so this is actually your special gift. So let's see what you get for this special gift for the Secret Santa.
Paper wash?
Yes, so that is the special gift from our Secret Santa, and also we do have like a wish card from him. So maybe you can actually read to the camera.
Oh, thank you so much for the giving this present for me. I'm so happy right now. I don't know how to say, but I wish every second is a chance to begin again, to chase dream, to smile and to live with a purpose. May this gift remind you to cherish time, stay active and celebrate every heartbeat.
Okay, so Mizan, sekarang macam mana rasa? Happy?
Happy sangat-sangat Zuan.
Alright, so itulah dia reward yang telah pun diterima oleh Mizan kita, iaitu Apple Watch.
Apa? Panas-panas ni. Jom kita masuk dulu.
Okay, jom mari kita masuk dalam. Alright guys, so saya telah pun completekan wishlist untuk Secret Santa special gift kita untuk kita punya penerima terakhir, iaitu Mizan. Jadi kalau anda semua nak dapatkan pelbagai lagi rewards, boleh join pelbagai lagi aktiviti dalam Bigo Live. So jangan lupa nantikan lagi kita punya pelbagai aktiviti pada masa akan datang.
我没有想到是我拿，然后过后抽到我的时候，我也是有吓到，然后拿到的时候我也是很开心。我拿到的是 Samsung 的 Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus， 就很适合我们这些 adult 啦，就是什么东西都可以用到，自己私人生活还是做工的时候都可以用到。
今天我很感谢 Bigo Life 来这里捐助这个东西给我们的康乐老人福利家园啊。
Kalau korang nak dapatkan banyak lagi reward daripada Bigo, korang boleh join aktiviti daripada Bigo Live. Tunggu apa lagi? Download sekarang.
谢谢 Bigo Life，祝大家圣诞节快乐。
Thank you Bigo Live and Merry Christmas！
Bigo Bigo